New day, new love, and a new adventure. Hi everyone, this is hahaha. Today I'm going to take you to experience the metro in Jinhua, Zhejiang, China. I'm not in the city center of Jinhua right now, so the metro here runs on elevated tracks. Taking the metro in China always involves a security check. After that, you will see the ticket gate like this. And then here is the platform. It looks something like this inside. We are about to arrive at the station. This is the underground metro station in the city center.